Hey guys, we are going to continue working on singular and plural subjects, and our goal for today is I can identify the correct verb to complete the sentence so the subject and verb agree. So look at our two little phrases, she play or she plays. Which one is the correct way that we should write this? You should have chosen she plays. We will be talking about why we pick she plays today. So, what happens when we have a singular subject? What happens when we have a plural subject? We have been talking about this all week, so I hope that you are starting to understand what does happen. So, verbs in the present tense have two forms. Present tense means that it is happening now. We are going to add s or es to a verb in the present tense when the subject is he, she, or it. So he being one person, she being one person, it being one object. We add s or es to the verb. We do not add s or es when the subject is I, you, we, or they. So we know that I is the exception. You is another exception. It's talking about one person, but we do not add the S or the ES. And then we being more than one person and they being more than one person, we do not add S or ES. So in our sentence, he dances every day. He is the plural, or he is the singular subject. Because it is a singular subject, we have to add the S to make dances. She is the singular subject. Because it is a singular subject or just one, we add the S to play. So she plays tennis. When we have our plural subjects, we eat hot dogs. We is the plural subject. Eat is my verb. It's what they are doing. We do not add S. On the sentence, I enjoy hot dogs, because I is the subject and it's the exception to the rule, we do not add S to enjoy. We leave it, I enjoy hot dogs. So just as a reminder, when do you add the S and when do you add the ES to a verb? So we add ES to a verb when the verb ends with an S, an SH, CH, X, or a Z. So, for example, the word kiss, we add ES because kiss ends in S. Splash becomes splashes with an ES because it ends in an SH. Watch becomes watches with an ES. Fix becomes fixes. And buzz becomes buzzes. And our kind of different rule is if it ends in a Y, we change the Y to an I and add IES. All right, so same as yesterday, the subject of each sentence is blue. Identify the form of the verb in parentheses that correctly completes each sentence. So number 1, Jamal and Gina walk or walks in the woods. You should have chosen walk. Jamal and Gina walk in the woods. Jamal and Gina is plural, so we do not add the S. Elena hurry or hurries to the river's shore. You should have chosen hurries. Elena is the singular subject, so we add the ES. To hurry, it ended in Y, and we change it to I and add ES. She touch or touches the cool water. So we know that she is singular, so we're going to add the ES to make touches. She touches the cool water. Carmen splash or splashes mud on Braden's boots. Carmen is singular, so we add the ES. Splashes. They wash or washes their hands in the stream. They is plural, meaning more than one, so we are not going to add the ES. We're going to say they wash their hands in the stream. All right, looking at our paragraph, the Komodo dragon, we are going to be looking at what change should be made in sentence 5. So sentence 5 says, they is the largest lizard on earth. So what change should be made to sentence 5? You should have chosen C, change is to are. They is plural, and so we have to go with the plural form of the verb are. They are the heaviest lizard on earth.